Following a complaint filed with the Tripura Human Rights Commission by TWF regarding the Nandanagar market situation, the Commission Chairperson and TWF members visited and inspected the area on Monday. The inspection was accompanied by MDC Gita Debbarma and MLA Swapna Debbarma. Following a formal complaint filed with the Tripura Human Rights Commission regarding the recent market eviction in Nandanagar, the Commission Chairman conducted an inspection of the area on Monday. The delegation was accompanied by TWF President Debbarma, MDC Gita Debbarma, and MLA Swapna Debbarma to assess the situation firsthand. During the visit, TWF President Debbarma addressed inquiries regarding the future of the site, raising the question of whether a new market shed would be constructed for the affected vendors.
Human Rights Commission Nandanagar municipal ni borok ni bosawo borok ni mane roklang tangmai manno tuino jeng aro kaisa complaint di mane Human Rights Commission borok jengno aboni uttor ini malai tai ni sahore jeng thangi malai ta maleman yagulo aroni chairman Chini Human Rights Commission chairman saheb no soho khailaiye aro kaisa khali jaga tongo aro bazar khlaimano hone borok samani bai jeng o jaga no sport nailenen peleka Chini chairman soho Human Rights Commission chairman bo kaisa chin logo naileka jeng wanchu klainai oboni yagulo o ungkolok ni jaga no oro borok no tubui dukan di nai ni bo saga buka amni yagulo jeng wanchu klainai oro di te bahai naikya Chini municipal corporation ni yo sahe bai malai nai malai jeng tai bo kok salai nai te kesa jaga bongko o jaga no bo klainai aga ka te sa tebol da wanchu klainai aboni babino au galai ta hambai mari jeng complaint di mani logo na time di no jeng no aboni bagai tor dinani bagai borak jeng no ringka officer jeng thaiya ngai solution thana ni kino tabu bisibak thangai tongo aboni bagai balai hambai mari jeng wanchu lainai Chini mayor sahib bai kok salai tamo solution thang jeng abon nainai phiaba jeng Chini borok je bania khai tongmani borok je osohaing tongmani abono solution khainani bagino jeng tino oro basa laija Chini oro tongo Chini MLA kok Swapna Chini MDC plus Chini TWF ni GS buku Gita Chini Swapna Tidia Agotla Town Committee Vice President Chini buku Sodala
TWF President Debbarma stated that the MC Mayor will engage in discussions with local vendors to arrive at an amicable resolution. Reporter Boyer from Agatla, Chini Khorang.